everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm gonna bring you guys my Walgreens haul. Now I was dead set to get to the store this morning and get there early, but I just could not. I don't know, it's just kind of just like, if you guys wondering my lovely necklace that I'm wearing, Mr. Benjamin told me to wear it couponing today, and Graham's like, are you sure you want to wear it? I'm like, Ben made it for me and he wants me to wear it, so I guess we gotta wear it. So he's all excited that I was still wearing it. Okay, so Walgreens is kind of an iffy week. There is some great Ibotta deals, you guys, because I am determined to get my 70 rebates that I have to get in like a week and a half. So I need about 20 more. So the Soap and Glory did reset for me. Now it doesn't always reset right away because I did it on Sunday, and then when I was doing my breakdowns scenario, it reset again, so it was there. I was going to do the Adidas deal, but Adidas is now away from Ibotta, so it might come back, so yes. So I ended up getting the Planters Nuts. These are a great little gift if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Now I was debating on getting this one, or there's the 3-pack, but I feel like this is just a little bit nicer, and I like it how, you know, we got this, so I'm going to give one of these for a gift. I was going to give the other one I had that I got from Black Friday, but Graham wanted to keep it, so I got one for a gift. But these were $5.99 on sale, which is an okay deal. But there is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can clip to your card, making this just $3.99. So I think $3.99 for a nice tin. It comes with a pound of peanuts, and it looks like there's pistachios, cashews, almonds maybe? I don't know. Peanut, almond, cashews, and pistachios. So, yeah. So, got that. It's a great deal if you guys want to go do that. I ended up, now, everything that I used today, which was a miracle, was all digital coupons. That's all I used, was nothing but digital coupons. I get to the register and I'm like, you know what? I have no coupons for you. She's like, really? I says, yeah. They're all digital, and then me and her both said, hopefully the digitals work. So like, it was just like, yeah, my cat is by my feet, walking by my feet, because that's what she does best, and I can't stop, you know, you can't just have a cat walk by with you and not pet it. Same thing with a dog, because they're just so soft. So I just did this deal. Now, I never got the paper coupons for this, but if you guys have paper coupons, that's an even better deal. But these are $4.99. They are buy one, get one free. So there was a 75-cent digital coupon that you guys can use. So you guys would end up paying $4.24 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit $1 with Ibotta and $1 with Ibotta, making these both $2.24. That comes out to be just $1.12, which is a pretty good deal. If you got somebody who really likes almonds, you know, these are great gift items. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. One deal that I did do that one deal that I'm going to share with you guys that I didn't do, and I usually have these all sitting by me, but today I don't, is the Walgreens Nice Baggies. Those are on sale for buy one, you get two free. They're $2.79. You guys would pay $2.79 for 3 of them, but then you guys, you know, can get 3 of them. They come out to be 93 cents a piece. I am way overfilled with bags, so baggies and all that stuff, so I didn't do that deal. But if you guys want to go ahead and do that, they seem like they do that like every 3 weeks. So go ahead and do that. I ended up doing the Downy. Now you guys need to scan this because you can either do this deal or the Tide Liquid, the Tide Simply Liquid. There's a different deal for the pods, but this one it's just shared. So this is on sale for $2.99. You guys want to use $1 off digital, and what pops up is the Tide Simply because it's like a combined coupon. So you guys would just get this for $1.99. I think it's an okay deal. Something I don't really get a good deal on, it is Downy fabric softener, and I actually really like this stuff, so I wanted to do that. My cat just loves me. I just love my cat. She can't hear me right now because she's deaf. Here Here's an easy deal if you guys need some last minute gifts, or you want to give some gifts, or you're thinking of doing something. I ended up getting the Hot Wheels. I only bought one because Ben's getting a lot of Hot Wheels for Christmas. But these were just on sale for 69 cents. Great price. I only see it for 69 cents maybe 2 or 3 times of the year. So I ended up getting, it's called a dragon tail. But yeah, it's like, it looks like a dragonfly tail, so that was kind of cool, so got him that. And then I also got the Kit Kat Duos. These are 79 cents a piece. There is a digital coupon for 79 cents off of 2. So you guys will get both of them for 79 cents. Basically comes out to be like 40 or 39 cents a piece is kind of what they cost. So if you guys want to do that, go for it. Yeah. So I ended up doing the Head and Shoulders. Now you can do the Head and Shoulders, or you can do the Herbal Essence. If you guys do it, you have to do it in a separate transaction just because of the register reward, because it's the same kind of deal. But these are 2 for $12, and there is a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would pay $7 for this or the Herbal Essence, but then you guys would get a $3 register reward, making them $4, so basically $2 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys in case you guys need some stuff. You know, everybody has like stuff that's, you know, expiring or stuff like that. But yeah, my cat's right here. So she's gonna lay right on my piece of paper. Yep. Right on my piece of paper. So it's up to you guys if you want to do that. I mean, I think $2 for Head and Shoulders is something I don't get as much as I used to. I think it's an okay deal. So we got that. Hi Paris, you know I'm trying to do my work here, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now I ended up getting these Soap and Glory lip. Now these were on clearance for $2.99. You guys, these are buy one get one free, or buy one get one 50% off. There's a sign that's for all month long, so this you guys can do again. So Paris, can I just move your tuchus? Thanks. But yeah. So you guys would pay $4.48 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta. Now it is a limit of 2, so I just did it this way. You guys can mix and match whatever you want. I'm just doing it this way, so when I write the breakdowns for you guys, it's a little bit easier for you to understand. But yeah, so you guys would get $4 back. Sorry, my cat's right on my thing. You guys would get both of these for 48 cents. So pretty good deal if you guys want to do the lip crayon. I also did the bath bombs. Now the Ibotta doesn't catch these, so you have to actually submit it. So if you guys are having problems, you can actually physically submit it through the app, because it asks you, you know, is there anything you want to add. So these are $5. Again, buy one get one 50% off. You guys would pay $7.50 for this, but then you guys would get $2 back and $2 back with Ibotta, making this, what, $3.50? She's sitting right on my thing, so I can't check. But $3, so that comes out to be like $1.75 if you guys want to go ahead and do that. And these make cute little gifts. I mean, they're already ready to go. I mean, Benjamin, I could give these to his teacher, or I might even use them for myself. They smell really good. So, got those. And then the last Soap and Glory item I got, now I could have done a facial thing, like you can do the face masks that are like $5, but these are actually on clearance at my store. Now these were in a different spot, like near the beauty counter, but this is the Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity. It's a 3-in-1 daily detox vitamin C facial wash, which I think this is technically not a soap. Nope, this is a high-tech foaming facial wash with a complexion-friendly, non-drying, I can't even pronounce that word, with a bang-up job washing your face. So These are not buy one, get one 50% off because these are the travel items, but these were on clearance for $3.19. I did scan the app and there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta for this. So you guys would get these for $1.19 a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So I was pretty excited to do that. This is something I actually want to try. I want to start trying more different variety of products. So yes. So there I have done 4 Ibotta rebates, you guys, and we got 1 more left to go. Now my store didn't have any of the secret dry spray. They were completely out, but I ended up doing it this way because I did need some deodorant. I like this deodorant myself. So this stuff was $6.99. Now I was going to do a deal with all 4 of these, and I was trying to figure out a deal with 4 of these, but they kind of came out to be the same price. So I'm like, I'll just do 2 and 2. So it's up to you guys what you want to do. This is the same deal as last week, so it's up to you guys. But like I said, I really needed to get more of these. So this was $6.99. It was buy one get one 50% off, and these were $9.79. And it was buy one get one 50% off. So you guys could buy all 4 of them, and you would pay $19.16. But then you guys can submit a rebate for Ibotta times 2. Now this is not 2 rebates. It's actually just 1. You guys can do it more. You can do the rebates as many times as you want in one transaction, but there is a limit. Like I think there's a limit of 5 for this. But I'm like, I just needed a rebate to, you know, count for my thing. So I'm like, I don't need to get 4 of these. I'll get what I actually really need. So, sorry, my cat's butt's right on my face, right on my piece of paper. So yeah, you guys would pay $19.16 with that before after that 6 off of 4 digital coupon. You guys can submit $2 off rebates with Ibotta. Then when you guys buy 4, you get 4,000 points. Comes to be $11.16. Will you not do that? Oh. $11.16. Comes out to be just $2.79. So basically it's the same price if you guys did this scenario, or if you did this scenario, or you did this scenario. It's kind of about the same price if you guys want to go ahead and do that. But there's just no rebates for this. So yeah, so I'm like, okay, I'm going to do this because, you know, a lot of you guys were really thanking me for doing this deal because a lot of you guys need that stuff. So that's why I wanted to share with you, and I got stuff that I actually really needed. So yes. Okay, my total came out to be $41, you guys. So mine was a little bit high, but I did use all digital coupons, so it's kind of sad, all digital coupons. I ended up getting $18 back with Ibotta. Now it's still pending because I did have to fix the Soap and Glory. My cat is now laying on my total. I ended up getting $9 worth of points. I got 4,000 points for the deodorant, and then I also hit beauty because of all the Soap and Glory, and then the Head and Shoulders counts as beauty. I did finish level 2 on Ibotta, so that will be a $1 bonus right there. And then I did get a $3 register reward for the Head and Shoulders deal. So my grand total for everything came out to be $10 even. I know, it's crazy. $10 even. I got 18 items. Everything came out to be just 55 cents a piece. So I'm like, that's a pretty decent deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So I'm hoping Soap and Glory resets again because I really want to do more Ibotta deals, you guys. I'm helping you guys. I just need 20. I think I need 20 or 21 more rebates to hit 70. And I think if I can get as much as I can with Walgreens, I did do one at CVS, and then I'm going to possibly hit Ibotta, or do maybe Target, and definitely do a Walmart, and we'll see where that takes us. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.